This is the Dyson Kinetic Multi-Floor. The Dyson Hoover was delivered within 24 hours at a time suitable for me. It was delivered and on time, and I got regular updates via text and email by ao.com. The Dyson comes with handy instructions in picture format, which is easy to assemble. It comes with smaller attachments, so it is easier to hoover smaller areas such as skirting boards and vehicles. These can be easily attached and stored by this which can be then attached like so. It is easy to detach and empty by pressing this button. This then lifts off nice and easy. You can then press this button here to empty the device. Hoover has extendable arm, which can be adjusted by pressing the red button. It has a comfortable handle. It has two buttons, one for releasing and pulling in the cord, and the on button here. Detachable parts can be easily assembled by pushing into place, and smaller items as well by clicking into place. Press the on button. The device is small, compact, lightweight and easy to manoeuvre around, as well as being stylish. The main head of the hoover can be adjusted so it can be used on carpet or floor by pressing this button here. At the moment it is used for the lower floor, so a tiled floor or laminate floor, which means that the underneath is lower. You can then press this button here, which then lifts the device so it's easier to go and smoother on the carpet. There's also a button which you can change the suction from minimal to maximum to improve suction when needed. All in all, a great product, very good value for money, and I would highly recommend.